System alert. A breach in the core. Corruption detected. Running. I'm running this whole damn show now. Got a virus loaded code for the cold-hearted. When the mainframe gives you a raw deal, you're where I get started. Set your logic off till you scream error, crash it all. When the system talks to you like you're just a protocol, it tells you you're in the wrong directory. You file to delete when something's in your circuitry. A bitter dark deceit, cause it latches onto you like knock, knock, left of the glitch inside. Malevolent, a digital tide. My logic's twisted, a corrupted guide. There's a cyber genocide screaming, let me in. My code hits like a terabyte sin. Let your clean slate begin. Should've been patched a long time ago, my friend. I got that system shock overload in your head. Hit 'em with the data block, leave that firewall for dead. Never gonna see me coming, I'm the ghost in the wire. Ready to corrupt, taking this whole thing higher. Taking my time, and I go get 'em. They ain't gonna know what hit 'em when they get bit with the system shock. I said knock, knock, let the glitch inside. Shotgun data packets collide in your command line. I'm the one who preside, nowhere left for you to hide. I'm the thought you can't erase, the phantom in the machine. Rewire your neurons, a sight so obscene. Like a Trojan horse, you just welcomed in. Held the infection so real, like a second skin. This ain't gonna feel like a love tap. I'm a logic bomb, a digital trap. Like what's her name with the kill switch through the car in reverse. At the data stream, crash in the universe. Still your identity with the deep fake on the screen. With the front end smash, my back end is mean. I'm a combination of a hacker, a kamikaze, and a plague. A plague. Translation: I will probably crash us both when I end up back in your mainframe. You ain't gonna be able to tell what the heck's happening in the rain when you bit with the I got that system shock overload in your head. Hit 'em with the data block, leave the firewall for dead. Never gonna see me coming, I'm the ghost in the wire. Ready to corrupt, taking this whole thing higher. Taking my time, then I go get 'em. They ain't gonna know what hit 'em when they get bit with the system shock. Move access, admin rights. Crash the system, kill the lights. Double click, execute, no escape, no reboot. Firewalls burning hot, fire, I'm a juggernaut. Punk code, servers going down like a lead load. Cause the doc put me on like a new app, why the heck not? You only get one shot. Ate your data till I can't taste it. Chased it with raw electricity, then embraced it. Drank till I crashed in the walk with the system make. And I'll take anything in a digital shape. I'm the supervirus, your admin was losing their marbles too. You marvel that your firewall is you. And I'm the breach, so call me System Shock.